So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What am I supposed to say? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a quarantine makeup routine. How many of you are in your house? You're kind of sluggish, not really motivated to do anything. When I kind of get stuck at home, at least I like to do my makeup, feel put together. Doesn't necessarily mean I'm going to do my hair or get dressed all the way. But having my makeup done does give me a little bit of confidence. It does make me feel good. So I'm going to show you guys what you guys can use while you're on quarantine and all of my favorite stuff that is affordable. Very easy to pick up at Walmart. If you guys are stopping by to get groceries or anything, you can grab them real quick. You know what they look like and they're affordable. Link in the description down below if you guys are interested in my makeup. But I'm going to show you the favorite tools that I like to use. Maybe you can't afford the mascara brushes or you're not sure about them. I'm going to show you the makeup that I like to use that you guys can afford while you're in quarantine because money is a little tight. So let's go ahead. We're going to zoom in, do some makeup because I want to be productive today. So I don't know what time it is, and you know, it may be in the morning, it may not be in the morning. Let's go ahead and get started. Everything on here that I'm going to show you, besides the actual makeup, all the tools and like bronzers and setting powders, I believe are under $10. So, and they're like some of my favorites. I actually use them with my makeup, so I already have them on hand. I didn't scope out anything, but I think already thinking about it, everything is under 10. This is a Wet n Wild Photo Focus Cucumber 3-in-1 Primer Water. I love this stuff. Since we're gonna be quick, I usually do my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This stuff is amazing too. Depending on how I'm feeling, if I want my makeup to last all day, I'll use the e.l.f. This is just a quick primer and it kind of has the makeup grab onto your face. And the spray is really good and it smells really good. So usually I have mascara on already on my eyelashes. Today I don't. Let's get into makeup. So we're going to go ahead and dip into my palette. We're going to use the same colors that I always use. Candlelit is my highlight color. I actually don't have a mirror in front of me. I'm in my bedroom facing the window. So I'm going to be looking to the side where the viewfinder is because I don't have a mirror. I mean, I guess I could look in this, but... So we're just going to feel a little put together, slap on some makeup, make everything even. I don't like having redness all over it. Look at that. Such a beautiful day outside, but it's really cold still. So we're gonna go ahead, we'll use our sponge. This is dry. Does anyone else use their sponge dry? I do. I'm too lazy to go get it wet every day. So we're just gonna blend this in all over. I guess we'll use the same brush for contour. I'm just gonna use this. I'm just dip it in this light one and barely put some product, but there's product there. And I like having contour on my cheeks. Cool. Cool. Blend it in. Now I don't ever really wear blush, so I'm not gonna put blush on. We're just gonna set the face and put bronzer on. And I probably don't use bronzer the right way. So yeah, let's just do however I usually do it, and you can do it however you want to do it. Just because I don't have another brush, or wait, I have this one. This is actually an Equate bronzer brush, but we can use it for setting powder. This is fine. I'm gonna try not to use my more expensive makeup brushes from Mascara Beauty, so I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that's affordable. And Wet n Wild Photo Focus, I just got this. So this guy I think is like $5 or $6 and it's huge. There's so much in here. I've been really enjoying it lately. Also, another good one is the Coty Airspun. I'm sure you guys have seen this all over the internet if you watch YouTube videos like I do. And we're just going to slap this on because I get oily. Powder's on, everything is in place. Actually, I'm going to add a little bit more. I don't like it to feel too tacky on my makeup. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do bronzer, which is the next step that I like to do after setting my face. Go ahead and use the buffing brush by Real Techniques. We'll use this guy, and this is a Wet n Wild contouring palette contour. I don't know. I've used it so much I can't really read the label. So it looks something like this from far away, and I usually just use the bronzer out of it. The highlight, I just kind of like a setting powder, just the way that I do my makeup. So it's really pigmented and really fine. I just dab it in a couple times and rub it on the forehead, basically where the sun would hit or where I get most of my sunburns. Okay, moving on from bronzer, we're gonna do this guy. It's so faded. This is a contour brush, and these all have to be like under $10 a piece. They could be like $5 or $6. So we're gonna use this one for illuminator. My illuminator is in here. Just gonna dab it in there, brush it on here because I like to have illuminator. Now we can do eyeshadow. This is the e.l.f. concealer brush, and I love using this for eyeshadow. It just kind of spreads the makeup around really quickly, covers the whole eyelid. It's really basic, nothing crazy. One of my favorite brow products is the NYX Professional Makeup Precision Brow Pencil. This guy has a spoolie on one end and the thing is flat on the side. So it always has like a good angle to it. We're gonna apply brows really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, brows are on. I feel like brows can make or break your face. So I look pretty pale in here. That's alright. It looks different in person. That's okay. We're just in quarantine, so we're just hanging out. I could probably add more bronzer, but who cares? So I think that's it. The last thing to do is add mascara, which I think is why I look kind of weird, because usually I have mascara on very first. So let's put mascara on, and let's fix this. Okay, we're back again. Now we have mascara on. Now we look a little more put together. Let's not forget, I'm still in a sweatshirt, and my hair's not done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get up every day. Let's put ourselves together. At least do one thing. Do your hair. Do your makeup. I hope this video helps, and I'm going to link everything down in the description, and I'll try and find the price, at least where I live, the prices of it. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the